Alright guys, check this out. I got these at the local grocery store. They're the Evive Smoothie cubes. They're on sale. It's the only reason I picked them up. I never tried these things, so as you can see, they're completely vegan. No added sugar, so let's take a look at them. You see there's the nutrient panel. If you want to read it, pause the video. There's the ingredients. So basically it has banana, apple, pineapple there, and they have a whole bunch of these ones available. So, but they have plant-based proteins, filtered water, pea protein, chia protein, stevia extract, cooked cauliflower in this, coconut cream, lemon juice, blue spirulina, baobab, and orange dehydrated vegetable blend, and tomato, beets, and shiitake in this one. So let's open this up. Give me a minute. Okay, so there's the container right there. Check this out. So this is what they look like. They come in these little square cubes. It is sealed, so generally you're probably going to use 1 or 2 cubes per smoothie. So I'm going to add other stuff to my smoothie, so I'm going to try it out right now. I recently got a new blender that I want to try out, so I'm going to put this in and then I'll be back. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so as you see, I added a couple of strawberries to it. I'm going to add my hemp protein powder to it, add water, and then I'll blend it up and I'll be back. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so it's all blended up. We're going to open this up. There we go. I like this blender because it's so easy to clean up. I can just rinse it. But there it is. Let's do a quick taste test. It's actually pretty good. You can smell the vanilla, sort of like a banana taste to it. You don't really get the blue spirulina. I put the hemp protein in there. It has a nice vanilla taste to it because the hemp protein was vanilla. So other than that, definitely check it out, guys. If any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. I probably need to put more than 2 cubes in next time. Probably put like 3 or 4. So, alright, stay tuned for more videos, guys.